Hello guys, welcome back my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see there is many color combination toys here. All are serially arranged. So friends, now I will hand drive all of this toy one by one with my hand. At first is a police car here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this police car. This one is black and white color combination. And next one is a police bike with a police. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this police bike. This one is yellow and pink color combination. This one is the R17 high speed bike, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this R17 bike. This one is red and black color combination. Wow friends, see, this one is a drum truck, so I will drive this one now. I parked here this drum truck. This one is red, blue and black color combination. And next one is a animal truck here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this animal truck. This one is black paste and orange color combination. This one is a mixer truck here, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this mixer truck. This one is yellow, black and red color combination. This is the last one, is a wrapped in bike here, so I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this wrapped in bike. This one is red and black color combination. So friends, all of these toys hand drived and introduced with you. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful toys.